What is a null or none value in programming in 60 seconds? Null or none means nothing here. It's a special value that shows a variable exists, but it doesn't have a value or data yet. Think of it like an empty box with your name on it. The box is real, but it's totally empty inside. Here's an example in different languages. In Python, you write myvar is equals to none. In JavaScript, you use let myvar is equals to null. In Java, you write string name is equals to null. Each language has its own way, but the concept is the same. Here's the common mistake. Trying to use a null value as if it's a real data can crash your program. Always check before you use it. The wrong way is trying to access the properties directly. The right way is to check if the variable is not null first. So why do we need null? Sometimes you want to say, I have this variable but I don't know its value yet. Or you want to reset a variable back to nothing. So remember this, null or none means this exists but it's empty. And always check for it before doing anything with your variable. Hope it helps!